It's not going to record over my picture, is it?
No.
He farted, I'm telling you.
It's recording. Okay.
You stink.
We only have 20 seconds. We got to get all of our video in 20 seconds.
Merry
Christmas. Merry Christmas. First Christmas for the...
He just shut his eyes.
Aww.
We're going to get mostly Dave
And
since
he
it's our
stinks
camera.
really bad.
Oh, and he looks uncomfortable.
There.
There we go.
We got a good smile from Sophie.
Look at that.
She loves the smell.
Photo.
So mad, too.
Boom, hitting it with the photos.
Okay. Is that all you can
Look at his head.
He's so bored. He's a little lethargic. Not excited about the Christmas.
It's so funny. This is so funny.
Sophie's laughing. Dave doesn't look too amused.
What are you thinking?
Look at that face.
Like, just get me out of here.
Calm down, Dave. Calm down.
He's just excited for Christmas.
Calm down.
He's gonna fall asleep.
He's out.
Maybe pick his head up.
No, it's too funny.
Maybe look at Sophie.
It's too
Yeah.
funny.
She got the eyes.
We've
going
only
and
recorded a
everything.
minute. It's no big deal.
Sophie's just moving all over the place.
Well,
aren't you?
Sophie's a lot older.
You see this?
Oh, there he goes.
You see this?
No, he's going to blow some
Look at that smile.
Yeah.
Yay, happy cousins.
Hey. Well, you shouldn't have had him up till 1:30.
Oh.
Oh, you're gonna go to sleep.
Oh my gosh. Look at that face.
He's so tired.
That's ridiculous.
He's like half smiling.
You're so tired, aren't you?
All right, Merry Christmas.
All right, Merry Christmas. Merry
2009.
Put 'em together.
Do you see what year it was?
Aw.
I think we'll know.
Christmas.
Oh, cousins.